Hi, I'm Chris with TEXA, and today we're going to be going over customer management through the IDC5 software. The purpose of customer management within the IDC5 software is to be able to create your own customer database through our software. You'll be able to view and manage reports. You can print, save, email them. Any of the recorded files that you've had from any of the test drives, you'll be able to view through here. You could also use it as a troubleshooting background as well to be able to go in and view reports if the same issue happens on multiple vehicles. While using our software, it's important to remember to keep your subscription and text pack up to date. That way you don't miss any of our new features or any of the current updates that we have for the software itself. To update this unit, you can look at the main screen, and from here you'll hit Update Check, and you'll see the updates available. From there, you can select the update and hit the download button. Customer management can be very useful throughout the day for a shop technician. Shop technician themselves can see the last time that the vehicle was in. We can go in there and we can see the previous TGS rescans, so that we'll be able to see what was wrong with the vehicle previously before when it came in, and to see if it's a repeat issue. We can also go in there and view any saved or recorded scans when the vehicle is taken out on the test drive. That way we can see if the error is present again or if it's a separate new issue. After we've done a system scan, we can hit the save button down at the bottom of the screen, and then from there we can back out a system scan and it'll send us right to customer management, where we'll be able to select enter new customer. It'll have us enter in the last name, first name. You'll have the shop name as well. You have all the vehicle information where you can enter in the VIN number, the make and model of the truck, engine number. Basically, we're creating a whole new profile for the customer itself. In order to view reports through customer management, we can select the icon to go into customer management. From there, we can see that we have a couple different customers listed. We can click on the one that we just added, go to view. From there, we can see the vehicle information and the shop information. So we can click on the magnifying glass again. From there, we see our system scan report. We can click on that, hit the view icon. From there, it'll pop the report up. And we have the ability to either print this or print this to PDF. That way you can either email it to the customer or yourself, or you can email it and import it into your shop data. You'll also get access to our Monday to Friday tech support. You can check out our YouTube channel for any other products or to see our software in action. So this concludes our tutorial on how to use customer management within the TEXA software. Thank you for watching.